Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to laptop with Windows 11. So we're gonna start now. First of all, go to Google and search the website called imyphone.com. After that, download for Windows. It is all free. Remember to do all the setting up and then choose the location to save the file. After it finished, now here is the interface. Choose your phone system. Now I will choose the iOS for iPhone. After that, you can see that there are two options. You can use your Wi-Fi or you can use the USB. In this video, I will use the Wi-Fi. Using the USB cable will be much more easier. You just connect your cable with your phone. So about using the Wi-Fi, you have to make sure that your phone and your laptop is connecting to the same Wi-Fi address. In case the firewall of your Windows starts to open, you just allow access. Next step, open your iPhone. So on the screen, you swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. And then you choose the screen mirroring icon. After that, choose the name of your laptop. Now on your laptop screen, it will be loading to connect to your device. Here is the result. Your iPhone screen has been shown to your laptop screen. So this is how you mirror your iPhone to your laptop. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.